Welcome everyone to today's session on the Forensic Accounting and Investigation Standards issued by the icai. Our focus today is on FAIS 360, Testifying Before a Competent Authority, a standard that equips forensic professionals with the responsibilities and framework for providing testimony in legal, regulatory, or disciplinary proceedings. As professionals engaged in forensic accounting, your findings may be subjected to scrutiny in courts or other judicial forums. This standard ensures that your testimony is credible, ethical, and legally compliant. First point is objective of FAIS 360. The core objective is to provide guidance to forensic professionals when they are called upon to testify as expert witnesses or factual witnesses, present opinions, evidence, or findings in legal or regulatory forums, assist competent authorities in understanding forensic conclusions. This standard ensures that such testimony is objective, unbiased, and within the boundaries of professional competence. Next point is definition of a competent authority. As per FAIS 360, a competent authority includes courts of law, tribunals or quasi-judicial bodies, regulatory agencies, e.g., CB, SFIO, CBI, ED, disciplinary bodies such as icai's disciplinary committee. Any authority vested with the power to summon and examine forensic professionals falls under this category. Now we will discuss role of the forensic professional in testimony. A forensic professional may be summoned as a fact witness, testifying based on direct knowledge or observation, as an expert witness, providing opinions based on specialized knowledge and analysis. Key responsibilities include presenting facts clearly and truthfully, explaining the basis of conclusions drawn, defending methodology and approach adopted, responding to questions from both the authority and opposing counsel. Next point is principles to follow while testifying. FAIS 360 outlines fundamental principles for professionals testifying before a competent authority. First, independence and objectivity. Testimony must be free from bias, external influence, or pressure. Professionals must avoid advocacy for any party. Second, truthfulness and accuracy. Statements must be factually correct and complete. Omission or exaggeration may lead to legal or disciplinary consequences. Third, professional competence. Opinions must be confined to areas within the professional's expertise. Avoid speculation or offering conclusions beyond available evidence. Fourth, ethical conduct. Confidentiality must be maintained unless legally required to disclose. Professionals must not mislead the authority, intentionally or otherwise. Next point is preparation before testifying. FAIS 360 stresses adequate preparation, including reviewing the entire case file, work papers, and evidence, understanding the relevant laws or standards applied, preparing for cross-examination and rebuttal, clarifying scope of engagement and limitations in the report. Next point is courtroom demeanor and communication. Testifying requires a professional demeanor. Dress formally and be punctual. Use simple, non-technical language. Speak calmly, clearly, and confidently. Do not argue or engage emotionally, especially under cross-examination. If unsure, state clearly, "I do not know," or "This is beyond my scope." Next point is legal and professional risks. Improper testimony can result in perjury or contempt proceedings, disqualification as an expert witness, disciplinary action by icai, damage to personal and professional credibility. Hence, adherence to FAIS 360 is not just ethical, but also legally protective. Next point is documentation and disclosure. Maintain proper records of testimony provided. Disclose any conflicts of interest, if present. Avoid unauthorized disclosures of confidential information. All communications with the authority must be transparent and traceable. Now, key takeaways. FAIS 360 ensures forensic professionals are legally prepared, professionally competent, and ethically sound when appearing before authorities. Testimony must be factual, unbiased, and well-prepared. Professionals must remain within the scope of their expertise and avoid speculative opinions. Clear, calm, and professional communication enhances credibility and the value of expert testimony. In last conclusion, to conclude, FAIS 360. Testifying before a competent authority is about presenting yourself not only as a technical expert, but also as a credible, ethical, and impartial witness. Your testimony may shape the outcome of legal proceedings, and hence it carries both honor and responsibility. Master this standard to ensure you represent both the facts and the profession with utmost integrity and professionalism. Thank you for your attention. Continue learning and stay compliant with ICAI's forensic standards to deliver high-value, reliable forensic services.